Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time.
2019 Chevy Silverado 5.3, custom wheels. Beautiful grill on these. Look at that. I like the black grill better than the chrome grill. It accents the gray nicely. Anyways, factory converter there, factory converter there, factory Y, factory flex, 3-inch pipe. Then we added 2.5-inch inlet and outlet. Flowmaster Super 10, part number 842516. There will be a link in the description, as you guys can see right there. Then how these Chevys are, dualed out the back. They get a Y pipe on top right there over the rear axle. And then there's still resonators on it, there and there. That's Chevy style of resonators right there. And then the HDMI tips out the back, factory. We can always take them off and replace them with something else later on down the road. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And here's the muffler on it. And it does have this valve on it. Anytime you take these mufflers off, you gotta take that valve off because it rattles if you don't. So remember that, guys. Hope you guys like it. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. 2022 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8 4x4. We've done something a little different for you guys on these. We love the new Chevys because you can true dual them. So that's what we did. We'll let you guys see it in a second. Stock converters right there and right there. Then we cross them over and true dual it all the way 2 1/4. Keep going and going back to back. Anyways, yeah. Going, back to back. That was a good song back in the day.
I'm going back to Cali.
Anyways, 2 1/4 pipe all the way back over the rear end on each side. Duals, true duals, into some black tips out the back there. And right there, they came out nice quads. Very beautiful, very sexy RST Silverado. And this is the stock exhaust that was on it. That's where it wires into a single right there. Then there's a flex pipe. Then there's a valve right there, stock muffler. And that's where it wires out. After the muffler, it wires out from here. After the muffler, it wires out the back on each side into 2 tailpipes. And this is Chevy's way of resonators. You guys always hear me talk about those there. I hate them. We always like to take them off or cap them. That's how they do their duals now. So we cut all that contraption off. I ran it a lot nicer, a lot cleaner. I don't know why they don't do it this way. Anyways, we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, subscribe. And if you guys don't know, we are located in Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. It's not bad. Still got stock resonators and Flowmaster Super 10. Sounds really nice. Here's sound decibels. Again. Right at 93. Run it, back it out. Really nice. Trail Boss Custom 5.3. Let you guys hear it on the inside. True dual straight pipe. Sound decibels? Go ahead. 130. me. All right. It is surprisingly quiet and idle. It's not crazy loud. Not bad. 5.3. True dual. Straight by. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 2019 with a Flowmaster Super 10. Stock resonators. Stock duals out the back. Sexy. I love it. That look is growing on me. I might go back to GMC or Chevy. I don't know yet. I think I'm gonna have to retire my little Ram. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments. Should I trade in my Ram on a new Chevy or GMC? Oh yeah. Beautiful. Enjoy, guys. Be smoke.